How to log out of all devices in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this tutorial we will be learning how you can easily log out of all devices on Undawn. First thing to do is to launch open your Undawn game on your device, and once you're inside the game screen, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. You'll then be able to see this expanded menu option where you need to click Settings at the bottom right. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Personal Center at the bottom center. You'll then come across this page where you'll need to click on Security Settings at the top right. Now you'll see the Log Out of All Devices option. Click on that and click on Confirm to do so. This will clear the login information for the current account on all other devices except this one. So which means if you have logged into your account for Undawn in any other devices, you'll be able to log out of those accounts, but your login on this device will remain intact. Click on the Confirm button and you'll be able to log out of all devices. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.